Presenting Clean Skin Club Clean Towels XL, the ultimate solution for gentle and effective skincare. These 100% USDA bio-based disposable face towels are ultra soft, making them perfect for removing makeup and cleansing your skin. With 50 towels per pack, each towelette is designed to be both hygienic and convenient, ensuring a clean and fresh experience every time. Ideal for all skin types, these dry wipes provide a luxurious feel while helping to maintain a clear and healthy complexion. Introducing Beauty by Earth Self Tanner, a USA-made self-tanning lotion crafted with natural and organic ingredients. This moisturizing formula, enriched with aloe vera and coconut, delivers a natural, sun-kissed glow without the harmful effects of UV exposure. Designed for a streak-free finish, it provides a flawless fake tan that gradually develops into a medium to dark shade. Perfect for those seeking a healthy, radiant complexion with the added benefit of nourishing your skin. Introducing Quilted Northern Ultra Plush Toilet Paper, designed for ultimate comfort and softness. Each pack includes 6 mega rolls, equivalent to 24 regular rolls, providing long-lasting value. This premium toilet tissue is 3x thicker with 3-ply softness, offering a luxurious experience every time. Treat yourself to the superior quality and plush comfort of Quilted Northern, ensuring a gentle and reliable clean with every use. Introducing Moroccanoil Treatment, the iconic hair care essential that transforms and revitalizes all hair types. Infused with antioxidant-rich argan oil and shine-boosting vitamins, this versatile treatment conditions dead angles, speeds up drying time, and enhances shine. Whether used as a styling foundation or a finishing touch, it leaves your hair smooth, manageable, and radiant. Experience the luxurious, nourishing power of Moroccanoil Treatment for beautifully healthy hair. Introducing Crest 3D White Strips Professional Effects, the ultimate teeth whitening strip kit for a brighter, more confident smile. This kit includes 44 strips, 22 treatments, designed to remove years of tough stains and deliver professional-level whitening results from the comfort of your home. Easy to apply and formulated for a comfortable fit, these strips provide a noticeable difference in just a few days, with full results in 20 days. Achieve a brilliantly white smile with Crest 3D White Strip.